Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Ikea stuffed dog is probably one of the most adorable and huggable companions you can bring into your home, offering a comforting presence for both children and adults alike. And while its charming design and soft texture make it an instant favorite, understanding its true value involves looking beyond its cute exterior to appreciate the quality craftsmanship and the joy it brings. Number 5. Bearington Bisquit Maltipoo Stuffed Dog Plush. Meet Bearington Bisquit, your new cuddly companion. This adorable doodle dog plush is perfect for snuggling and brings warmth to any space. Crafted from the softest materials, this plush dog is made for cuddling. Its floppy design makes it perfect for sitting on your lap or bed, offering endless comfort. Surprise someone special with this realistic stuffed dog. It's an ideal gift for birthdays or any occasion, sure to be cherished by all. Experience unmatched quality with this charming and durable puppy plush. Its surface washable design ensures it stays looking fresh for years to come. This Maltipoo dog plush is ready for adventure. It's the perfect playmate for imaginative fun, bringing endless giggles and comfort to playtime. What we like. This plush is crafted for ultimate snuggling with its ultra-soft materials and a floppy body design. If you are looking for a comforting companion that feels just right for cuddles, this is the one. Its lifelike details also make it a wonderful decorative piece for any room. What people say. The muzzle is filled and stitched in a way that it feels exactly like that of a real dog when you hold and stroke it. The way it is manufactured, when you pet it or stroke its fur, it moves its head like it is real. The fur is so very lifelike, real and soft, and even the tail replicates that of a real dog. Number 4. Bearington Lil Oliver French Bulldog Stuffed Animal. Say hello to Lil Oliver, a cuddly 6-inch stuffed French bulldog. This adorable plush is designed for endless cuddles and joy, making it the ultimate companion for your little one. Made with premium plush materials, this stuffed animal is ridiculously soft and huggable. Its lifelike details make it a perfect addition to any collection. More than just a toy, this stuffed dog plush is a memento that will be cherished for years. It's an adorable companion that brings comfort and smiles. Bearington's stuffed animals are crafted with love and care. Our plushies are made with luxurious materials and great attention to detail, ensuring top-notch quality. With 25 years of excellence, we offer a range of stuffed animals designed to bring lifelong joy and comfort to children of all ages. What we like. This little friend is perfect for small hands and big hugs, made with premium plush for a super soft feel. If you need a portable, huggable companion for a child, this is an excellent choice. Its charming size makes it ideal for travel or just keeping close by. What people say. His face is great and he is somewhat poseable. Super soft, cute, and great in size. A little stiff but still great. Looks super real and cute. The details are spot on and realistic. Very soft and perfect for anyone who loves bulldogs or bully breeds. Smiley face. Number 3. Bearington Murphy Maltipoo Realistic Dog Plush, 13. Say hello to Murphy, a lifelike Maltipoo stuffed animal who's ready to be your child's new best friend. He's 13 inches of pure cuddly perfection, designed to bring comfort and endless fun. Crafted with premium plush and soft faux fur, this stuffed puppy feels incredibly realistic to the touch. It's not just a toy, but a soft, huggable companion for playtime adventures. Looking for a special gift? This adorable plush puppy is more than just a toy, it's a cherished companion that will create lasting childhood memories. Its lifelike details make it an instant favorite. Bearington is known worldwide for exceptional plush toys. We use only the finest fabrics and unparalleled craftsmanship to create unique, high-quality stuffed animals. With a 25-year legacy, Bearington has been bringing joy and comfort through our beloved stuffed toys. From classic teddy bears to realistic animals, we have something for everyone. Whether for a baby or an older child, this cuddly plush is designed to offer comfort and companionship. It's a delightful addition to any toy collection. What we like. This realistic Maltipoo offers a beautiful blend of comfort and companionship, standing at 13 inches tall. If you desire a lifelike and cuddly friend that provides both play and comfort, this is a fantastic option. Its premium plush and soft faux fur ensure a luxurious feel for endless enjoyment. What people say. It's so realistic in its diminutive size and light orange color to my old dog. that it's almost unbelievable. The face is very sweet, and the toy is very well made. You can fold the legs under so the dog sits, or stand him up so he's at attention. It looks very realistic. Such a sweet gift. The quality was better than we expected and the size was perfect. El Peluche de excellent calidad, muy suave al tacto y buen tamaño. Paris Real. Number 2. Bearington Collection Barkston Shih Tzu Plush. Say hello to Barkston, your new 13-inch stuffed Shih Tzu, ready for big cuddles. This adorable plush dog is packed with fluff and charm, making it the perfect buddy for kids and a standout addition to any stuffed animal collection. Crafted with top-notch materials, this plush Shih Tzu offers a super soft feel. It's an adorable stuffed dog with irresistible charm, perfect for becoming any child's faithful friend and favorite toy. Looking for a special gift that will be cherished? This realistic stuffed dog is a winner. Designed to look like a real Shih Tzu, it brings a lifelike touch to playtime and offers a friendship that lasts. Bearington is known for plush excellence, delivering opulent fabrics and fine craftsmanship in every Shih Tzu plushie. Our collection of dog plush toys brings a touch of luxury to playtime. With 25 years of experience, Bearington has a legacy of crafting timeless plush toys. Our creations, like this Shih Tzu dog plush, bring joy and comfort to all ages. What we like? This Shih Tzu is designed to look incredibly real, offering big cuddles in a 13-inch package. If you're searching for a stuffed dog that captures the charm of a real Shih Tzu with a super soft feel, this is your pick. It's perfect for adding a lifelike touch to playtime and offering lasting friendship. What people say. The dog is very soft and cuddly, perfect for hugs. It's a good size for a toddler to play with and carry around. The stitching is strong and it seems durable enough for rough play. Number 1. PREXTEX Stuffed Puppies, set of 4 small plush dogs. Does your child love dogs? They will be absolutely delighted with these adorable, soft, and fluffy stuffed animals. These cute companions are perfect for any young puppy lover. Each of these cuddly friends is 6 inches tall. This ideal size makes them easy for small hands to hold and hug, providing comfort and fun. Planning a birthday party or a dog-themed event? These plushies are the perfect addition to your party favors. They are guaranteed to be a hit with all your guests. Crafted with premium fibers and durable stitching, these stuffed animals are built to last. You can be confident in their quality and longevity. This special set includes 4 realistic-looking plush puppies. Get a whole pack of adorable companions for endless playtime and snuggles. What we like? Get a whole pack of 4 adorable, small plush puppies, perfect for little hands and big imaginations. If you're planning a dog-themed party or need multiple gifts, this set is an absolute winner. They are the ideal size for party favors and are sure to be a hit with all the guests. What people say. They were perfect in size, cuteness, and softness. They're soft, floppy, and adorable. These stuffed animals are on the smaller side, but they are good quality, cute and soft. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.